How to clear Google Photo storage on iPhone. To do this, navigate to the Google apps on your iPhone, tap on it. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. It comes out like this, then scroll up until you get to Google Photo settings, tap on it. From here, tap on backup, then turn it on. Once turn it on, then scroll up until you have access to manage storage, tap on it. Now from here, you have access to every other thing that is into clean up suggestion. You have the email, you have the large drive, you have the email trash, then you have the spam email. So that it has to do with you guys. Now you can as well see clean up by service. Tap on photo. If you tap on photo, then you have to wait a few seconds for the same photo to come up. If you have anyone here, because there is no large photo here, then tap back again. Then let's clean up by clean up suggestions. So let's clean up the spam email. Tap on it. When you tap on it, it comes out like this. Then tap on this button to select all. Then tap on delete button. Then tap on and decide here, guys. Tap on permanently delete this button. So doing this, guys, we'll be able to clean this specific amount of space on your Google Photo on iPhone. So that's all, guys. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.